Today I want to talk to you about the importance of self-reflection. Self-reflection is the process of thinking about and examining our own thoughts, feelings, and actions. It's a powerful tool that can help us to better understand ourselves, identify areas for growth and development, and make more informed decisions. One way to make self-reflection a regular part of your routine is to set aside some time each week to reflect on your experiences from the past 7 days. This could be a great opportunity to think about what went well, what didn't go so well, and what did you learn from those experiences. For example, you can ask yourself questions such as, what was my peak experience or accomplishment this week? What were some challenges I faced and how did I handle them? How can I apply what I learned this week to improve in the future? By reflecting on these questions, you could gain insight into your own patterns of thinking and your behavior, and develop strategies for overcoming obstacles and achieving your goals. Self-reflection can be a difficult and uncomfortable process at times, but it's worth it. It is essential to personal growth and development, and it can help us become more self-aware and better equipped to navigate the challenges of life. So take some time every week to reflect on your experiences, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a more self-aware and successful individual. Here's a task you could do to help you answer the question, what was your past experience or accomplishment this week? Number 1, set aside time each week, at the end of the week ideally, to reflect on your experiences. Number 2, create a journal or a note document on your phone or computer where you can write down your reflections. Number 3, at the start of your reflection time, take a few minutes to clear your mind and focus on the present moment. Number 4, begin by thinking about the past week and ask yourself the question, what was my peak experience or accomplishment this week? Number 5, take some time to think about the events of the last week. Try to identify the one experience or accomplishment that stands out as the most meaningful or significant to you. Number 6, once you have identified your peak experience or accomplishment, write it down in your journal or note document. Number 7, reflect on why this experience or accomplishment was meaningful to you. What did you learn from it? How did it contribute to your growth or development? And how can you apply it in the future? Number 8, take a moment to appreciate yourself for what you've accomplished and how far you've come. And number 9, repeat this task every week. It'll help you keep track of your progress and become more aware of your own accomplishments, and that will empower you to move forward towards your goals. Now, it's also valuable to reflect on the challenges or difficulties you faced on that week, and think about how you could overcome or improve for the next time. Reflecting on peak experiences or accomplishments can help an individual to recognize their progress and gain a sense of accomplishment, which could boost motivation and inspire them to continue working towards their goals. Now, reflecting on past successes can help an individual to identify what strategies were effective in achieving those successes, which can inform and improve their approach to achieving future goals.